In my life, I was Noel Gruber who worked at Taco Bell in Uranium City, Saskatchewan. But in my dreams, I played a different role. I was Monique Chabot in post-war France. A hooker with a heart of black charcoal. I write poems to burn by firelight, drink champagne and guzzle gin. Good girls call me the town bicycle. Don't knock it till you've tried my life a sin. Oh, Claude, my pimp knows never mess with me. Last prick did that faded quick to black. I have no idea where to find him, officers. But if you do, please mention that I'd like to have returned the pretty knife that I stuck 10 times in his back. For I sing songs until the break of dawn. I embrace a new man every night. My life's one never-ending carnival, a world of boozy, floozy, flashing light. I want to be.
I was never meant to end. Here's the rain, take a hold of me. Please don't let me go. You do the talking, so play mouth if I can't keep it closed. There's a road dog barking right around the block and a big old whistle blow. I'll root for it, I'll keep 'em occupied for you, 'cause I like